Good evening. This is All India Radio Kohima. I'm Jonas Yantan with the evening news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to deliver keynote address at the third Leadership Summit of US-India Strategic and Partnership Forum this evening. Deputy Commissioner Noklak Reny Wilfred directs PHED Department to improve water quality. Intensified Diarrhoea Control Fortnight program is being observed in Nagaland, and Nagaland's COVID-19 tally climbs up to 4,066. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will deliver the keynote address at the third Leadership Summit of US-India Strategic and Partnership Forum this evening at 9 p.m. US Vice President Mike Pence addressed the summit on Monday. External Affairs Minister S. Shankar and Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal have also addressed the meeting earlier this week. The five-day summit is being attended by top leaders, government officials and corporate leaders. The summit, titled US-India Week, Navigating New Challenges, highlights areas of Indo-US bilateral cooperation, including in trade and investment, strategic energy ties, collaboration in fintech, healthcare, technology, and India's position in global supply chains. Enhancing economic and strategic collaboration between the US and India during a transformative period for the global economy is being discussed during the summit. The US remained India's top trading partner for the second consecutive fiscal in 2019-20. Following concerns raised by the public on poor quality of water supply in Noklak, Deputy Commissioner Noklak Reny Wilfred visited PHE water supply sources of Noklak town yesterday, along with administration, officers and various organizations. On thorough inspection of the spot and its surroundings, the DC and his team found that the water source is being contaminated by wild animals. The inspecting team noticed that the same source which is being supplied to the citizens of Noklak town is being used by wild animals as well. In concurrence to the finding, the PHE department revealed that the water supplied is done without any proper water purification system and filtration tanks. The DC urged the PHE department to initiate necessary steps to improve the water source and install necessary filtration mechanisms under available provision. Nagaland is observing Intensified Diarrhoea Control Fortnight Program (IDCP) from 1st to 14th of September. IDCP is a yearly activity being observed all over the country. In a message, Mission Director, National Health Mission Nagaland, Dr. Gevichusa Midikra said during the fortnight program, all households with children under 5 years of age will be provided ORS, while all households with children under 5 years with diarrheal cases will be provided with ORS and zinc tablet for free. Dr. Midikra further said one can contact the nearest government hospital for necessary information. Railways Minister Piyush Goyal today held a meeting with top courier service agencies to facilitate robust partnership with railways freight and parcel service. The meeting was called to discuss and explore possibilities of expanding business of private parcel services through Indian Railways. It was informed that railways will offer reliable, fast, affordable and easy to handle parcel services for logistics and courier agencies. Railways Ministry said that more than 5,000 parcel trains were run between 22nd March and 2nd of this month. A total of over 318,000 tons of consignments were loaded in these trains, and Railway earned more than 116 crore rupees. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal has said that the new age entrepreneurs are going to change the fortune of India. Addressing the Confederation of Indian Industry event on launch of India's Future Business Group today, Goyal said that the new age ideas will help prepare India to contribute in a much bigger way to global supply chains. He said there is a need to build a platform with like-minded countries and trusted partners to promote new age businesses in India. On improvement in India's rank from 52 to 48 in the Global Innovation Index, the minister urged everyone to work together to make India the innovation hub. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. Nagaland today reported 49 new positive cases of COVID-19, taking the tally to 4,066. Health and Family Welfare Minister S. Pangyapom tweeted this afternoon that out of 708 samples tested, 24 cases each were reported from Dimabu and Kohima and one in Mon. The minister also added that all precautionary measures have been initiated to contain the spread of the virus. Health Department updated that of the 49 cases reported today, 18 are from the armed forces, 6 from returnees, 19 from traced contacts, and 6 from frontline workers. Meanwhile, 101 people have recovered from COVID-19, 86 from Kohima, 10 from Zonopoto, 4 from Dimabu, and 1 from Nagaland. With this, recovery rate has improved to 81.50%. Of the total cases, 732 are active, while 3,314 have recovered from the infection. So far, 8 have lost their lives and 10 migrated to other states. India registered highest single-day recovery till date with 68,584 COVID patients in the last 24 hours. The overall recovery rate has also maintained its upward trend and has now reached an impressive 77.09%. So far, nearly 3 million people in the country have recovered. Health Ministry said the constant increase in recoveries has ensured that the actual caseload of the country has reduced and currently comprises only 21.16% of the total positive cases. The number of recovered patients has overtaken the active cases by over 3.6 times. The number of recovered patients has grown over 4 times from first week of July to first week of September. Presently, the total number of active corona cases in the country is 8,15,538. In the last 24 hours, 1,043 deaths have been reported, taking the toll to 67,376. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will interact with IPS professionals through video conferencing during the Dikshan Bharat event at the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy tomorrow. A total of 131 IPS professionals, including 28 lady professionals, have completed 42 weeks of basic course Phase 1 training at the Academy. They joined the Academy on 17 December 2018 after completing their foundation course at Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, Mussoorie, and at Dr. Mari Chana Reddy HRD Institute of Telangana in Hyderabad. A massive fire gutted down a sawmill belonging to MS Shikuto Sema early this morning, around 4:50 a.m. at 7th Mile, Jumukedima in Dimabu. However, there was no report of any casualty. Deputy SP Fire and Emergency Services T. Shilo Jamir said that on receipt of information, quick response team from fire stations at Jumukedima and Dimabu were pressed into service to control the fire. Due to the timely intervention of the fire tenders, it prevented the fire from engulfing the surrounding areas. It took nearly 5 hours to douse the fire. Jamir informed that properties worth around 40 lakhs were destroyed in the inferno. Principal Director Nagaland School Education Shanavasi has informed that state shall not be observing Teachers' Day. This is in view of the declaration of 7 days national mourning by the Government of India due to the demise of Pranab Mukherjee, former President of India. However, Teachers' Day messages from the dignitaries may be issued along with announcement of awardees through media. And now 20 news, here are main points again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to deliver keynote address at the 3rd Leadership Summit of US-India Strategic and Partnership Forum this evening. Deputy Commissioner Noklak Reny Wilfred directs PHED Department to improve water quality. Intensified Diarrhoea Control Fortnight program is being observed in Nagaland. And Nagaland's COVID-19 tally climbs up to 4,066. That is all we have in this evening news.